When it comes to finding the perfect all-inclusive Caribbean getaway, Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana stands out as one of the newer luxury resorts in the Dominican Republic. This five-star property opened its doors in 2019, bringing modern amenities and contemporary Caribbean style to the stunning Bavaro Beach coastline. What makes this resort particularly appealing is its ability to cater to both families and couples, offering something special for every type of traveler seeking that perfect tropical escape. The accommodations at Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana are designed with comfort and style in mind, featuring modern Caribbean decor that perfectly captures the tropical vibe without going overboard. The Preferred Club Junior Suite Tropical View offers approximately 452 square feet of space, complete with either a king bed or two double beds, a comfortable seating area, and a private balcony or terrace overlooking the lush tropical gardens. These suites come fully loaded with air conditioning, flat-screen television, minibar, coffee maker, complimentary Wi-Fi, in-room safe, luxurious bathrobes and slippers, plus a bathroom featuring both shower and bathtub. The tropical garden views provide a serene backdrop for your morning coffee or evening relaxation. For those wanting ocean views, the Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View offers the same spacious layout and amenities, but with stunning partial or full ocean vistas from your private balcony. The bright, airy interiors feature neutral tones beautifully accented with turquoise and coral colors that reflect the Caribbean setting. Families will appreciate the larger family suites, spanning around 645 square feet with separate sleeping and living areas, sometimes including bunk beds for children. These suites can accommodate up to 4 adults or 2 adults with 3 children, making them ideal for larger families. The preferred club rooms come with exclusive access to a private lounge and upgraded amenities, adding an extra touch of luxury to your stay. Room rates typically range from $250 to $500 per night depending on the season and room type, with Ocean View Suites commanding premium pricing during peak periods. The dining scene at Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana offers an impressive variety of culinary experiences that will satisfy even the most discerning food lovers. Seaside Grill provides casual beachfront dining with a focus on international grill specialties, fresh seafood, and authentic Caribbean dishes. Open from noon until 10 in the evening, this relaxed venue offers stunning ocean views and serves everything from fresh seafood platters to perfectly grilled meats and tropical salads. The open-air setting creates the perfect atmosphere for enjoying lunch or dinner while listening to the waves. For a more upscale dining experience, Portofino delivers classic Italian cuisine in an elegant indoor setting with romantic ambience. Open for dinner only from 6 to 10, this restaurant requires reservations and maintains a smart casual dress code. The menu features handmade pastas, creamy risottos, fresh seafood preparations, and an excellent selection of fine wines. They occasionally host special wine pairing dinners that showcase the best of Italian culinary traditions. World Cafe serves as the main buffet restaurant, offering an incredible variety of global dishes including Asian specialties, Mediterranean favorites, and Caribbean classics. This spacious, family-friendly venue operates for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, accommodating over 200 guests without requiring reservations. The buffet features everything from fresh sushi and grilled meats to crisp salads and decadent desserts, with themed buffet nights adding extra excitement throughout the week. The Barracuda Swim-Up Bar keeps the tropical drinks flowing from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, serving refreshing cocktails, fresh juices, and light snacks right in the pool. Weekend visitors can enjoy live DJ performances while sipping their favorite tropical beverages without ever leaving the water. The pool and beach facilities at Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana are truly spectacular, offering multiple aquatic experiences for guests of all ages. The resort features 3 distinct outdoor pools, including a stunning infinity pool with breathtaking ocean views, a dedicated family pool perfect for children, and an adults-only pool exclusively for preferred club guests. The main pool stretches approximately 25 meters in length with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, providing comfortable swimming for guests of various heights. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening year-round, with lifeguards on duty and full poolside service including food, beverages, and towel service. The infinity pool creates the illusion of water flowing directly into the ocean, making it a favorite spot for photography and relaxation. Comfortable loungers and shaded areas surround each pool, ensuring guests can find their perfect spot whether they prefer full sun or partial shade. The beach access is simply magnificent, featuring approximately 500 meters of pristine white sandy coastline with calm turquoise waters that are perfect for swimming and water activities. The beach offers complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, plus dedicated beach bar service, so you never have to venture far for refreshments. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, while beach volleyball courts provide opportunities for friendly competition. The gentle waves and clear waters make this beach ideal for families with children, while the stunning scenery provides the perfect backdrop for romantic walks and spectacular sunset viewing. Activities at Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana cater to every interest and energy level, ensuring guests never run out of entertainment options. The modern fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, featuring state-of-the-art cardio equipment including treadmills and elliptical machines, plus a full range of free weights and resistance machines. Group fitness classes such as yoga, Pilates, and aqua aerobics are offered throughout the week, with schedules varying seasonally. Personal training sessions are available upon request for those wanting customized workout experiences. The resort's entertainment program includes weekly themed events such as Caribbean nights and Latin dance parties, creating vibrant atmospheres for guests to immerse themselves in local culture. Live music performances feature local bands and talented DJs who keep the energy high throughout the evening. Beach parties are regularly organized, taking advantage of the beautiful oceanfront setting and creating memorable experiences under the stars. The activities team organizes various games and competitions throughout the day, from pool volleyball to dance classes, ensuring there are always opportunities to meet other guests and try something new. Cultural shows provide insights into Dominican traditions and music, offering educational entertainment that enriches the vacation experience. For those seeking more adventurous activities, the resort can arrange excursions to nearby attractions and adventure parks, making it easy to explore the natural beauty and culture of the Dominican Republic beyond the resort grounds. The spa and wellness facilities at Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana provide a tranquil escape from the tropical excitement, operating daily from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening. The full-service spa offers an extensive menu of treatments including relaxing massages, rejuvenating facials, detoxifying body wraps, and therapeutic hydrotherapy sessions. The signature treatments incorporate Caribbean-inspired elements, utilizing local oils and herbs that reflect the natural beauty of the Dominican Republic. These unique treatments provide authentic experiences that you simply cannot find at home, making them perfect for special vacation indulgences. The spa facilities include traditional saunas and steam rooms that help guests unwind and detoxify, plus comfortable relaxation lounges where you can extend your peaceful experience before returning to resort activities. Multiple treatment rooms ensure that couples can enjoy side-by-side services, making spa visits perfect for romantic getaways. The wellness programs extend beyond traditional spa treatments, incorporating holistic approaches to relaxation and rejuvenation. Advanced booking is highly recommended, especially during peak seasons, and reservations can be made through the front desk or directly at the spa reception. The skilled therapists are trained in various international techniques, ensuring that every treatment meets the highest professional standards. Whether you are seeking relief from travel fatigue, want to celebrate a special occasion, or simply desire some peaceful me time, the spa provides the perfect sanctuary for restoration and renewal. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.